Good morning, and let's look at the top 5 stocks to watch out for in trades, starting with Wipro. Now, the company has posted its Q4 numbers along with a better than expected guidance for June quarter. So, very interesting, better than expected guidance. Overall, the IT service revenue growth is up by 3% on a quarter-on-quarter basis in a constant currency terms, while the margins also have been better than expected, and also the profits. Overall, when you talk about the guidance, we're seeing that the IT services business grew revenue seen at $2,195 million to $2,238 million, and guidance that translates to a sequential growth of 2% to 4%. So surely an interesting set of numbers coming in from Wipro. Overall, when you look at it, the management has also said that the largest ever acquisition of Capco that will further bolster their global financial service sector as well. They are very excited with this wave of business momentum that they are seeing and they are witnessing, and all markets are now growing on a YOY basis as well for the company, and provides a solid foundation to build the next year's growth rate as well. So let's keep an eye out on Wipro today, post its earnings last evening. Ashoka Buildcon, another stock which is in focus after the company has received LOA from Gujarat Rail Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, and the project cost for this is 333 crore rupees approximately. So keeping an eye out on Ashoka Buildcon as well. India's Indian steel companies surely have been seeing a buzz around them. Now, Credit Suisse has come out with a note saying that they expect to see more price hikes to come in steel as well, and now China export numbers are likely to cool off from here on, is what the brokerage firm is believing. They expect an integrated domestic spread to remain elevated in FY22 as well, and overall the prices which are at a discount to imports could see further hikes in the domestic prices as well. Now, China exports rebate cut should further help the company, is what Indian steel companies is what they believe, and overall a favorable supply demand and cost push continue to support the global prices, is what Credit Suisse is saying about the Indian steel companies, and what overall they're saying about the pricing as well. So in this space also they like Tata Steel as well as JSPL specifically. So let's keep an eye out on that. Moving on to Credit Suisse's note on NMDC. Now, here they're maintaining an outperformance stance with a target price of 186 rupees per share, and the ore prices to remain elevated as the record high exports could hurt the domestic availability. So they raise FY22, FY23 prices by rupees 500 per ton, still 25% lower than what is on the spot price as well. Now, NMDC is up 32% in the past 2 months and still trading at an inexpensive 4.4 times 12-month forward of EV to EBITDA, is what Credit Suisse is highlighting, and that is why they're maintaining an outperformance stance on the company, and they have raised their FY22, FY23 EPS by 18% and 20%. So let's keep an eye out on NMDC as well. Mindtree is another stock that could be in focus today, as it is set to post its Q4 numbers. They're expecting a YOY revenue growth to return and to the positive in Q4, while quarter-on-quarter growth also to be strong at around 4 to 5% in CC terms. EBIT margins, could decline due to the wage revision. So let's keep an eye on that. And overall, the TVC deal wins to be higher on a quarter-on-quarter basis, led by Knopf and other deals as well. So let's keep an eye out on Mindtree, especially the revenue growth outlook for 22, the deal and demand across ventricles, and margin outlook going forward, as well as attrition rate also for the company.